Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Skims Swarovski collaboration Jelly Sheer Square Neck Bodysuit. Now I had previously tried on this bodysuit in the color Onyx, but this is the color Cocoa, and I must say, I am a fan. Of course, we'll give a quick moment for the striking silver packaging with both the Swarovski and Skims S elements, and then we have to dive in. Now I will say when I tried this on in the black, I was a really big fan of the fit. So I do have really high hopes for this bodysuit. I have also tried on the cami long dress in the Cocoa, which is also on the Fashion Try-On, so be sure to check that out. All right, getting a first look at our bodysuit, we can see it is still the beautiful cocoa color, which is adorned with the monochrome brown Swarovski crystals, which just makes this an overall moment. And one of my favorite things about this collection is the placement of the crystals. They really did not spare any expense, especially on the front as well as on the back, but I feel like it's less of a focal point, but they did not forget about it. And of course, this is a bodysuit, so I gotta let you know how it connects. All right, so taking a look at the additional tag wear, I did try on a small in this piece, and that seems to be the size that fits me. For reference, I wear about a 0 or a 2 in other brands, so I hope that helps you with your sizing. I did have to size up in this brand, which I wasn't really expecting to do because it is known as shapewear brand, so I thought, you know, maybe the more form-fitting the better, but I have found that it is not the most forgiving fabric. That being said, once I found my right size, I thought this was the most flattering bodysuit I've ever worn. It is genuinely so smoothing. It made me feel confident. I could wear this absolutely anywhere. Let me know if you've tried this, if you like it, if you hate it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.